I love you. I see you. The dark do not come. I see you. I see you. I see you.
Answer on the beat.
I see you, see me. Do you see me? I see you, see me. Do you see me? I see you, see me. Do you see me? Charlotte, see me. In the darkest time of the darkest hours, where I draw strength and my fucking power. Remnants of the old ones flow through my blood as Satan's sons take over. Raw sons, raw sons, raw sons, 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 raw sons, raw sons, 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 raw sons, 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 meet six sons, meet six sons in the flood. Do you see me? I see you. Do you see me? I see you. Do you see me? I see you. Charlie, do you see me? I see you. Charlie, Charlie. Do you see the truth lies wrapped in Fox's news? Open your heart to me and reject society, running from the profanities, living out our motherfucking fantasies. Marked by the beast offers true humanity. Cain's bloodline offers immortality. Banish the duality, living breath is vitality. Occult secrets are kept with confidentiality. Confidentiality, confidentiality. Can't you see? Can't you see? I see you seeing me. I know that you're looking at me. I feel you feeling me. I see you seeing me. I taste you tasting me. I know that you're knowing me.